Today, I'm starting my options trading journey with $5,000. I'm learning as I go, and I'll be documenting every step so anyone can learn with me. I don't have a background in finance. I'm not here to pretend I have everything figured out. This channel is about learning the basics and making thoughtful decisions and growing over time. I'll be sharing what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and what I'm learning along the way. So if you're new to options or just curious, this is the right place. Quick disclaimer before we continue, this isn't financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal journey and what I'm learning along the way. Always do your own research and make decisions that fits your situation. I'm starting with $5,000 because it feels like a realistic and approachable amount. It's not so large that it feels out of reach, and it's not so small that it limits what I can do. My goal isn't to rush or take unnecessary risk, but to grow this account slowly while building a better understanding of how options actually work. To start, I'll be focusing on two simple option strategies, the WULF strategy and credit spreads. I'm keeping things basic on purpose. The goal right now isn't to master every strategy, but to build consistency, manage risk, and understand how these trades actually play out over time. I'll explain more at a high level, then go deeper into each strategy in a separate video. Before placing any trades, I want to start by building a simple watch list. This isn't about picking winners or timing the market. It's just about identifying stocks that fit the strategies I'm starting with. For my watch list, I'm separating things into two groups: individual stocks for the WULF strategy and index ETFs for credit spreads. For the WULF strategy, I'm watching a mix of established companies and high-risk names, including American Airlines, Ford, Lyft, SoFi, WULF, and BMNR. All these have active option markets. I'll be adjusting position size depending on the risk of each one. For credit spreads, I'm planning on focusing on index ETFs that includes GLD, QQQ, SPY, and IWM. Using indexes help reduce single stock risk and keeps the strategy more consistent, especially while I'm learning. I'm not placing any trades in this video. This watch list is just the foundation. In the next video, I'll start placing my first option trades and walking through my thinking step by step. This is just the beginning. I'm taking it one step at a time. If you want to follow along and learn together, I'll see you in the next video.